this is our hotel. Since we're waiting for check-in, I thought I will take the time to show you around the hotel. I like the first look of it. The first impressions of the hotel are good. Hello, good evening. I'm in Cancun, Mexico, and today I'm filming my room. So once you enter through the front door, this is my front door. This is the hallway, and right in front of us is the balcony. So I'm staying in the Grand Fiesta Americana Coral Beach in Cancun, and the speciality of this resort is that every view has an ocean view. Either you get an ocean front or ocean view. So we have an ocean view, and I am on the 10th floor. So the moment you come in, you have the spacious cupboard. So this is my cupboard, which is currently empty since I'm packing to leave, because we have to catch our flight the next morning. It's an early morning flight, and yeah, I've started my packing early. And since the housekeeping was done, I thought I will also do the room tour, because room is substantially more proper and cleaner after the housekeeping service. So next to the hallway is this gorgeous bathroom. So this is my bathroom. I like this bathroom, nice tiles and all. These are some of the accessories, my bathtub, the toilet, and beautiful fluffy clean towels every day. Then this is the vanity area. This is one of my favorite areas in the room because it's so huge, and it has a real money plant, and I like the accessories that they have given us. It's mostly Lausetane, the verbena. This is the conditioner. This is the Lausetane shampoo, shower gel, and body lotion. And also we have got Lausetane soaps. I think verbena with shea butter. Yes, extra gentle soap. So those are the accessories, and these are my toiletries. So that's the gorgeous vanity, and this is particularly useful for me when I do my makeup early in the morning. Then this is the coffee counter and bar area, glasses, snacks for purchase, water. Then I have also got a mini bar there with drinks, beer, soft drinks and stuff. And best part is the Nespresso that I've got, a coffee machine with the coffee pods. So that's the bar area. Sorry about the mess because I was packing. So this is where I keep my stuff, my suitcase, my shoes, my other area. So you can see it has everything, a table and a chair. This is my gorgeous bed, which has been freshly made up, and you can see the side tables, which are gorgeous. And this is my full-length mirror for me to get dressed in the morning, and I love this mirror as well. And again the second side table, and then the steps which lead you to the sitting room. So I also have a sitting room. So we just came today from a tour, and so my camera and and the recent purchases, souvenirs that I got are strewn about. So that's the sitting area, the couch, and again I have this round table. That's me. I did a dolphin tour, and those are some of the clothes which I had kept for drying after using the pool. So I have the round table with couple of chairs in case I want to have something. And the best part of this room is this view. I have couple of chairs, a table, and a private balcony. So every room has this private balcony, and I love the privacy as well as the view from the room. Look at this, guys. From here you can see the pool. The pool is huge. It has 3 levels, 1, 2 and 3. And then right ahead we have the coral beach. So that's the coral beach from my resort. So it is almost sunset time now, and the skies are beautiful. Wow, it's so pretty, it's so beautiful, right? And that's a lighthouse there, and there's also another small beach, again a part of the coral beach. This is truly a Caribbean paradise. This is the Caribbean Sea. And this is beautiful. It's just lovely up here. And you can see the sunset, not the sunset, sunrise from the balcony at around 6 in the morning. So I've been enjoying the sunrises a couple of times now, and I should just say that it's lovely. The sunrise here was at 6:05, and I enjoyed the sunrise. So that's it, guys. That's my room tour. Hope you enjoyed the room tour. And if you want to stay in Cancun in Mexico, I would recommend the Coral Beach Grand Fiesta Americana Hotel. Thank you for watching. Bye. Cancun, Mexico, and so this is the Coral Beach, and I'm staying in the Fiesta Americana, and this is the beach, and today is our Grand Fiesta. So video showing you guys the Cancun sunset. Isn't it pretty?